السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. ویلکم ٹو مدنی اسلامک اکیڈمی قرآن تجوید کورس آن لائن. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 9 from Madani Qaida, the letters of Leen. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What are the letters of Leen? How many letters of Leen are there? How do we pronounce the letters of Leen? In this lesson, we will learn all these things. Let's start. How many letters of Leen are there? There are 2 letters of Leen. One is Ya Leen and second is Waw Leen. What is Ya Leen? When there is zabar before a ya sakin, then it becomes Ya Leen. What is sakin? Here ya is sakin letter because ya has jazm sign or sakin sign or silent sign on it. Here ya is sakin letter. Therefore, if there is zabar before ya sakin, then it becomes Ya Leen. For example, Jeem Ya zabar Jai. And what is Waw Leen? When there is zabar before Waw sakin, it becomes Waw Leen. Here Waw is jazm sign on it or sukoon sign on it. Here Waw is sakin letter. Therefore, there is a zabar before Waw sakin, it becomes Waw Leen. For example, Jeem Waw zabar Jaw. How do we pronounce the letters of Leen? We pronounce the letters of Leen gently in an Arabic accent, without any stretching nor sudden pausing the voice. Means we pronounce letters of Leen in Arabic accent. We are not allowed to stretching. We are not allowed for pausing the voice. We cannot stretch the voice when we pronounce the letters of Leen, and we do not allow sudden pausing the voice when we pronounce the letters of Leen. It means letters of Leen in Arabic accent will be pronounced without any stretching nor without any sudden pausing the voice. How do we spell the letters of Leen? Let's see the example. Here Ba is mutaharrik letter and Waw is sakin letter. We pronounce it like this: Ba Waw zabar Baw. Ba Waw zabar Baw. We not allowed for stretching and we are not allowed for sudden pausing the voice. Let's see the second example. Here Ba is mutaharrik letter and Ya is sakin letter. We spell it. This is the example of Ya Leen. This is the example of Ya Leen. Letters of Leen. How we pronounce it? Ba Ya zabar Bai. Ba Ya zabar Bai. We are not allowed for stretching, and we are not allowed sudden pausing the voice when we pronouncing the letters of Leen. Let's see the more example. It will more clear how we pronounce letters of Leen in the Arabic accent. Here Kha is heavy sound because Kha is a mustaliya letter. We pronounce is its thicker voice or heavy voice. Mustaliya letter always pronounce with thicker voice in every condition. Let's spell out how we pronounce it. It's the example of Vaw Leen. Here Vaw is second letter because Vaw has jazm on it or sakin sign on it or sukoon sign on it. Let's spell out how we pronounce letter of Leen. It is the example of Vaw Leen. Kha Vaw Zabar Khaw, Kha Vaw Zabar Khaw. And next example is Ya Leen. This is the example of from letters of Leen is Ya Leen. How we pronounce here, Ya is sakin letter and Kha is mutaharrik letter, and Kha is pronounced with heavy voice because Kha is mustaliya letter, and mustaliya letter always pronounced with thicker voice or heavy voice in every condition. Let's spell out how we spell the example of Ya Leen. Kha Ya Zabar Khai, Kha Ya Zabar Khai, without any stretching and without sudden pausing the voice. The next example is Vaw Leen. How we spell out here, Vaw is sakin letter and Dal is mutaharrik letter. Without stretching and without sudden pausing the voice, let's spell out it, how we spell it, how we pronounce it. Dal Vaw Zabar Daw, Dal Vaw Zabar Daw. The next example is Ya Leen. And how we pronounce Ya Leen? Here Ya is sakin letter because Ya has jazm sign on it. Let's spell it. Dal Ya Zabar Dai, Dal Ya Zabar Dai, without any stretching and without sudden pausing the voice. The next example of letter of Leen is Vaw Leen. Let's spell out. Here Vaw is sakin letter and Zal is mutaharrik letter. Let's spell it. Zal Vaw Zabar Zaw, Zal Vaw Zabar Zaw, without any stretching and without sudden pausing the voice. The next example of letter of Leen is Ya Leen. How we spell out? Zal Ya Zabar Zai, Zal Ya Zabar Zai. Here we are not allowed to stretch and we are not allowed to sudden pausing the voice according to the condition of pronunciation of letters of Leen. We are not allowed to stretch the voice and we are not allowed to sudden pause the voice. Zal Ya Zabar Zai, Zal Ya Zabar Zai. These are the examples of the letters of Leen. Inshallah, in coming videos we will learn more example of letters of Leen. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.